We are trying to figure out the difference in these two brothers' ages and the sum of their ages right now. So 20 years ago, the ratio of their ages 1 to 2. Now the ratio is 5 to 6. So let me change colors. So brother 1, he is 5, right? Well, let's add the variable in there. And then brother 2, we're doing current ages, okay? And his is 6x. 5 times the age and 6 times the age. But 20 years ago, that would be 5x minus 20 for brother 1 and 6x minus 20 for brother 2. And that ratio is 1/2. So cross multiply, and that gives you 2 times 5x minus 20 equals 6x minus 20. And that's 10x minus 40 equals 6x minus 20. And let's subtract 6x from both sides, and that's 4x. And add 40 to both sides. That's going to give you 20. So x equals 5. So brother 1 is 25 now. Brother 2 is 30 now. The difference in their ages is 5, so choose 5 in the first column. And the sum of their ages is 55, so that's the second answer.